John leaned over the kitchen table, tracing the dates. Anna, I have been looking at the calendar. Our summer holiday starts in exactly 2 months.
Anna sighed, not looking up. It feels like it is still so far away, John.
Because I finally booked the tickets. We are going to Paris. Anna gasped. Paris? I found a small apartment in Le Marais. It is only a 5-minute walk from the Seine. Anna smiled, imagining the cobblestones. That sounds perfect. We will see the Musée d'Orsay and walk through the gardens at Versailles. Anna laughed. I just want to sit at a cafe for hours. I even saved enough for that bistro you liked on Instagram, the one with the balcony. Anna was breathless. I cannot believe this is actually happening. Maybe wait a few weeks. But you should definitely start looking for a new camera. John took her hand. It is going to be the best summer we have ever had.